So guys, here's my final look. Hi guys, today is our 11th year wedding anniversary and we will have a dinner date with my husband tonight. So I'm gonna prepare my makeup for tonight guys, so bear with me. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, what makeup, but I'm wearing this date makeup. So we're gonna start with my Human Nature Day Moisturizer. And then after that, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal True Match BB Cream. I'm just gonna make a simple makeup for tonight because my husband doesn't really like makeup. So by the way guys, I'm gonna tell a story about where did me and my husband meet. So today is our 11th year anniversary. So back then it was 2008 and we met in person. So he was from the US. He was 38 years old at the time. And I was 23, 23 years old. And we chat for 9 months online. We met in a dating site. It's called datingasia.com. So yun naman pagka sa dating site, diba? You can choose what country, what age. So I usually choose like 30 to 40 years old, something like that. And you can find different guy there. And message them, start talking with them, something like that. I saw this guy, he's cute. So I messaged him. They maybe that much. Not long, not short. Because usually a Filipino would chat them for, hello, how are you? Or you're cute, you're handsome, something like that. And then after that, just a short conversation. So I write a little bit and he got interested and we chat more, we know each other. But if he write me email, it's very long. He really wanted to know me, which is nice because usually in a relationship you need to know a person before you commit. So we got ups and downs even though we just chat online. We're not in like personal talaga. So sometimes he get jealous because I was working the time. Of course you need to go to your client or meet with your coworkers, something like that. So sometimes you get misunderstanding, but we really work it out. So he asked me one time if I want to settle. Of course, for me, I said I want to stay here for a while in the Philippines. So he got the idea that I don't want to go to this country. So when after 9 months, he come here and got all this stuff, most of this stuff. And after that, but online we already planned that we're gonna get married. He already got his ring for me, and it was really quick. But we had for this for the wedding process already, but then my father died, so we had to cancel the wedding, and we got our wedding here in Cebu. I was in Mindanao. It was just a simple wedding. It was 2008, January 16, 2008. It was a simple wedding with all of us 7 people, and after that we eat at Province Grill here in Cebu. We just spent less than 2,000 for all. Our wedding was in the Cebu wedding in Cebu City. They call it Justice. And I know it was not a dream wedding, but as long as we're together, I think it's not really the weddings matter. So after 5 years together, we had our like a renewal of vows in Radisson Blue. It was paid by his father, and after that, just small gathering for family, mother, his father, and friends, and then that's all happens. Just after that, um, I think I can't talk while making my eyebrows. Basta, ano ba Bisaya, whatever. Mga payo ko lang sa mga married or my partner, husband or partner, even sa just both Filipinos, para long lasting ang marriage is, I think just, if may problema kayo, hindi naman talaga mawala yung tatanong, diba? Just talk about it. If nagkamali, ask forgiveness, um, don't hide something from your partner or your husband, because of course, partner niyo sila eh. So, always stay in love. Don't say na, I'm married, I'm old, or I got this man already, pabayaan na lang yung sarili. No. Make yourself beautiful. Kahit na may anak na tayo, di ba? Just take care of yourself. Kasi every day, we always want our partners to win them back. Or, kasi di ba, marami kayong magagandang babae dun sa labas. You can say that my husband or my partner is um, faithful. Like, no, ang tungkol is just, dyan lang yung sa tabi-tabi eh. Naghahanap ng, ano, ng tamang pagkakataon nila nga. So, kung pabayaan ang sarili mo, just make yourself look beautiful. Kung naman yung dadating yung asawa mo, eh, dungis-dungis mo, or ang bago-bago mo kasi nag-aalaga ka ng mga anak mo, or something like that, just make him feel in love every day. It's a work in progress naman kasi eh, na porque married na tayo, kaya alam na natin na parang tawag dito, hayaan na lang yung sarili natin, diba? Alagaan natin ang sarili natin. Kahit na married na tayo, mga anak mo, always think about yourself. So, alam mo ba yung mga nasa palabas, yung mga mistress, sexy pa sa ano, sa mga legal wife. Kaya, kung tayo pa ba tayo mga legal wife? Sabihin nila na, kapag nag-asawa na eh, hayaan mo na lang na tumaba ka or lusyang ka or something like that. What? Kahit nasabihin mo bang, um, mahal ako niyan, hindi ako magpapalit. Marami kayang halipaw sa tabi-tabi. Kaya, guard, bantayan natin yung mga partner natin. Hindi lang naman sa mga girls, pwede din naman sa mga male, di ba? Huwag tayong papalusyang-lusyang kasi alam nyo na, maraming haliparot dyan. Lalo pa sa asawa ko, foreigner yan. Ayaw niya na mag-makeup ako, pero syempre focus ko yung kumandun. Sabihin mo, I don't like you wearing makeup. You're beautiful already. Marami kayong haliparot dyan na nagpapaganda. Na magkasama na nga kaming dalawa. Tapos nasabihin pa na, Sir, I want you. Kahit nakasama ako, diba? May nagtaran na. Eh, huwag tayong papahuli. Papaganda tayo. Of course, laging kasama dyan yung trust in the Lord. Kung dalawa kayo may takot sa Panginoon, your marriage will last. Kasi, you put that first in your marriage. Yes, sa mga ano, pareho namin na walang helper, tapos may mga anak. Kasi, gawa talaga ng paraan na magkaroon ng you and me time. Kasi, mahirap na lagi na lang yung anak mo kasama niyo, wala na kayong you and me time ng husband mo. Mag-hire kayo ng kilala niyo. Ako ngayon, nawagan ko talaga yung sister ko, nandito naman. Mahirap dito kung wala na sinong i-hire ko or sino yung papakiusapan ko na magantay sa mga bata. Pupulong na natin pag wala na. Nandiyan na. Pero this time, I'm thankful to my sister-in-law. Wala pa silang anak. Kaaral pa din siya, kaya pwede ko siya matawagan. So, there's my kilay. Kasi nag-put out powder for the kilay. So guys, here's my final look. Thank you guys, and see you in my date later. Bye!